control. Okay? Clutch control.
This is how you do it when you don't have no Kenda. Boob. Pop out both sides. Hear all this talk about people using used mooses. So I am starting the Adam Does Dirt Bikes Moose Service Center. Give me your new mooses and I'll make sure that they are nice and worn out and ready for your next race. So I tweaked my wrist a few days ago. I'm getting ready for Iowa, gonna do a little bit of work on the bike, put some tires on, clean the air filter. Ooh yeah. Hide some tools. So I'm excited about this one. Got some gems tucked away. Here we go. Some spare zip ties, clamps, hose. I had to pick up another gallon of 2-stroke oil. Kind of burning through it. I'm gonna check all the bolts this time. I don't want a loose shifter on the start line. Anyone else use ATF? Almost here. Got my wristband, got my sticker for riding tomorrow. I'm excited. Oh God, just grass. It's just grass. If that Mini Cooper made it over there, I'll probably make it. Cody and I had a race from Denver to Iowa. I drove, he flew. Dude, lucky. You beat me by how much? Like maybe under an hour, around an hour. Oh man. But here's the main highlight of the morning. Crack pipe for coffee. I was adopted by a Midwest riding family and we decided to go check out some of the course.
That's a jump there. It goes like this and this.
Check out this log. Never looks bad on video.
Yeah, that's the one. That's gonna do it.
Yep. A little bit of gnar. Well, I got a dilemma. I clean my goggles with some Windex. Don't do that. It's a bad idea. Now I can't see out of them. I gotta find some lenses. No. Yeah. Oh, that's it, man. Oh, dude, thank you so much. I appreciate it. No problem. To spice things up, the Iowan Hard Enduro had an Endurocross section. And for free 99, that's right, free 99, you could run this Endurocross section backwards in a competition on Saturday.
Right in the pocket. Right in the pocket.
When's the last time you tried something new for the first time? Saturday. I tried the Endurocross. Control.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Good job.
The tires kind of suck. That means I gotta go again.
Hey, that's not winning.
Yeah, dude.
I guess, man.
You're going towards the end, Adam. Here, right here. All right. Right here. Then from there, then.
Nice. Yeah, man, that thing just popped right off.
Yeah. Are you able to ride it like that, right?
I guess. I mean, if I have to.
You're going up right now.
Oh, man. Okay. I saw that banana over there. Hey, it's the Cowies, man. Green versus green. Good luck, dude.
pretty sign. Alright, dude, I like up your sign.
And that's as far as I got.
I tried, Gary. I tried. Woo! Oh my god.
Yeah, I've only been riding for less than a year.
This guy's been riding for less than a year. And he's on a Kawasaki too.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Coming up next, I figure out how to pass people on the hotline. But for now, I'll leave you with some footage of the wheelie kids.
Are you serious? Are you serious?